Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Hey, welcome back. Today I want to show you a set of oscillating tool blades that I've got. Got a set of 105 for a crazy low price. You can't buy these in the stores. There's no reason to. I mean, but for this particular oscillating tool, they're about 5 times as much as what I paid here. So, anyway, this is the kind that has a cup on it. This particular model, and fits these Flex, Bosch, and some others. But the blades are good. I've got a little video here that kind of shows it in action. Just a real small drywall cut. A repair I need to make. So check that out and see how quick and easy it is. And we can get you set up with whatever kind of oscillating brand you want. I've got Makita, I've got Ryobi, I've got Flex, I've got DeWalt, and the ones that I'm going to list here are the ones that I'm really fond of. So anyway, go ahead and buy you some of these. 105 of them for a ridiculous price. Okay? Hey, thank you. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.